Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Stumble Guys application on your iPhone. If you want to download the latest version of Stumble Guys with bug fixes and performance improvement, then here is how you can do it. First, make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store. In the search box, type in Stumble Guys and search. If there is an update available for your Stumble Guys application, it will be displayed in this page. Simply tap the update button if available, and the latest version of Stumble Guys will be downloaded on your mobile device. Wait until the application is done with the update process, and after the download is completed, you'll be able to enjoy the newest version of Stumble Guys downloaded on your mobile devices. That is how you can easily update Stumble Guys application and get the latest version installed on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.